Hey Terrells, welcome back to our Alcalá Bazaar how-to video series. In this video, we will be going over connecting and networking with students who are interested at your org when you're at the Alcalá Bazaar. During the Alcalá Bazaar, you'll want to spend time making connections and talking to interested students. But it's super important to remember to get those connections written down. While we encourage you to have your own twist on how to connect with students, we've created some strategies that might help make this opportunity go a little more smoothly. The first strategy we have is to utilize the share screen option. Whatever you choose to place on it, we recommend that you at least have your org's basic information and contact information on the screen. You also can choose to include highlights from previous years if that's what you want to do. Now we understand that you may not want to have the share screen option on for the entire Alcalá Bazaar because it makes it difficult to try and have as close to face conversations as possible. So we recommend that you periodically share your screen throughout the Alcalá Bazaar. For example, this could be that you are sharing your screen for 5 minutes every 15 minutes, or you can have it be shared for 2 minutes every time there's a new student into your breakout room. However long and how many times throughout the Alcalá Bazaar is up to the discretion of your org, but these are just some ideas that we have. Our next strategy to use is the chat box feature on Zoom. Because there will be so many students filtering in and out of your breakout room, we strongly encourage your org to designate one member to send messages to the students, asking them to leave their contact information. The basic contact information we recommend is the name and their USD email, but you can also ask for more if that's what you choose. Just like the share screen option, we recommend that you periodically send chat messages to everyone with any relevant links to your org. This can include links to follow your social media accounts, your page on Twitter orgs, and if you have one, a club website or your YouTube page. A helpful website that has become very popular recently is Linktree. Linktree is a website that is free to use where you have a website with all your important links in one easy place. Now let's say you visited TPB at the Alcalá Bazaar, and they sent the link on the screen in the chat box, which is the linktree.com/USDTPB. If you were to click on it, you'd be taken to the page that you can see also on the screen. So rather than TPB sending 6 important links in the chat box periodically throughout the Alcalá Bazaar, all they have to do is send their Linktree information, where you can easily find their social media, website, and links that they think are important to share with everyone. You even get to choose the ending of your website, which is always a plus. Our next networking strategy is to create a digital business card that you can share with other students. Having a digital business card is another great way to keep all of your information organized and easy to access for students. Prior to the Alcalá Bazaar, you can create a digital business card for free on Canva, Switchit, or Hi Hello. If you want to explore other websites that can be tailored more to what your org needs, you can also just Google free digital business cards and another website will pop up. Our final strategy is to create a QR code for your org. Having a QR code on the screen allows students to scan the code easily with the camera on their phone and automatically be taken to the website of your choosing. During the Alcalá Bazaar, you can be creative on how you present your QR code. You can choose to include it on your page where you have all of your org's basic and contact information, or what you can do is have a member log on to the Zoom call with their phone. If they do that, they will then be logged onto the call in 2 different sources. What they can do then is have their profile photo be the QR code and have their camera off and their microphone muted. As you can see on the screen, that's how it would pop up in the gallery view, and it'd be really easy just to always have it there and available for students no matter if you're sharing your screen or not. To create a QR code, you'll need to go to the website www.qr-code-generator.com. You can copy and paste your link or type your website that you want students directed to, and then once it's generated, you can just download the image and choose what to do with it and how to share it with the students at the Alcalá Bazaar. As always, these are just a few strategies that we have thought of to help connect you with interested students. Your org is free to be creative to find other ways to connect with students. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and find new ways to connect with one another. You can create a virtual background on Zoom with your org's contact information, or even create a Google form to send to students where they input their name, contact information, and any other things that you want them to know or you want to know about them. You can even have a box where they can ask more questions about their org in case they forgot or have any additional ones. But when in doubt, do whatever you believe is best for your org. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at usdalcalabazar@gmail.com. Don't forget to note that it is a Gmail address, not a sandiego.edu address. So once again, it's usdalcalabazar@gmail.com. You're also more than welcome to check out our website at sandiego.edu/studentleadership/bazaar. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.